Most systems preserve the answer. They lose the path that made the answer meaningful. Innovation Lineage Record asks a different question: what if research could remember how understanding actually changed? A finished conclusion can hide the questions that redirected the work, the explanations we rejected, the uncertainty we carried, and who contributed what. ILR preserves those changes as connected, time-stamped, revisable history. The original ILR architecture remains intact. Curiosity opens the investigation. Chronos preserves sequence. Kairos marks a change in direction. The growth matrix maps relationships. The conclusion traces backward to its support. Every upgrade extends this model, none replaces it. The build week prototype turns that framework into a living research list. A person asks a question, adds observations and evidence, explores hypotheses, records revisions, and keeps every earlier state available. The latest entry becomes the living edge, while the complete lineage remains reviewable. ChatGPT and Codex expand the inquiry without becoming the authority. AI can suggest classifications, earlier connections, pattern signals, competing explanations, evidence gaps, and next questions. Codex helped harden the implementation, tests, portable package, and presentation. Human authorship, evidence review, and the final conclusion remain explicit. ILR can preserve lived experience, consciousness research, and future possibilities without silently turning interpretation into verified fact. Perception records what was experienced. Interpretation records possible meaning. Parallel possibilities remain open. External checks add sources and measurements. Recognition becomes stronger only when preserved records converge. The development history is part of the demonstration. 46 preserved events record how the prototype changed, why each change mattered, and which earlier records it developed. These timestamps prove when software states existed. They do not prove the first moment an idea was conceived, and they are not independent timestamp authority certificates. ILR is the transparent lineage layer between live data, human understanding, AI assistance, and future possibility. Open the live demo, begin with one question, and watch the record grow through evidence, revision, recognition, and conclusion. Then export the lineage so the next participant can continue without losing the past.